How to tension your perfect fit roller blind. First, if you find that the blind is not retracting when operating, then we're going to tighten the spring. Remove the end cap at the top of the blind, and then remove the retaining clip. Now using a 4mm hex bit, we'll rotate anti-clockwise to tighten. Keep going until the blind retracts on its own. Once happy with the tension of the blind, you can reinsert the retaining clip and reinstall the end cap. If you find that the blind retracts too quickly, then we're going to loosen the spring. This time rotating it clockwise. Again, keep adjusting until you're happy with the tension, and then reinsert the retaining clip and reinstall the end cap.